Okay class, so basically I'm boiling the wax and rosin. Okay, the ratio of wax and rosin is 2:8. Okay, so if you're not clear what it is, please go back and refer to your slides. Okay, so right now I'm waiting for my wax to boil. So I've already like ready made. Okay, so I'm just waiting for it to boil. While it is boiling, let's prepare our chanting. Okay class, so basically you can see my wax boiled. Okay, so it's really like watery here. Okay, so basically I have some chanting on my hand. Alright, okay, like different sizes. I can show you the different sizes. See this, the holes in this chanting is smaller than the holes here. Okay, can see. So you see the first chanting, it has smaller hole. So whatever later you take the wax and you fill up the lines, okay, this line is going to be thin line. Okay, and then for this it will be thicker line. Okay, so when you have all these, okay, now you can check lah. I'll put mine, see it's very watery. I'm gonna see if my the wax has to go inside this hole. Okay, so you're basically going to uh, lay it flat a bit, and then you're going to pick up the wax like that. Okay, so inside will be wax filled. Okay, and the wax will start dripping from here, this tip area. Okay, it will be dripping down. Okay, so when you're done with the wax, you can just turn it upside down for the wax to drop down. Remember to have newspaper. Okay, so I'm going to do the demonstration. Okay, so basically I used a pin. You can use safety pin to all the four edges of the fabric. Okay, then you secure yourself. You can use push pin here on any wooden type of frame. Okay, for me this is a metal frame, so I screwed it. Okay, and then we have this rubber band. Okay, so the thing is I had a few methods to do the rubber band. Okay, which is I go a few layers. So basically it will be like this. Okay, I want them to be tight. Okay, so I pull, right, and then I will do this. Okay, so for it to be more harder, more stretch, so I will just put it like that. Okay, so as you can see, I have some motif on drawing on the fabric itself. Okay, and I have my things ready there. Okay, my stove with or wax being boiled while we are talking here. Okay, and inside the Tupperware is my chanting. I prepared a paper, or you can prepare fabric or cloth. I will show you guys what is it for later. Okay, so let's go. Okay, if you can see, I have some illustration on here. So basically I tried doing the kawung print. You know what is batik kawung kan? Okay, so I'm gonna start. Okay, so basically what you can do is, I don't know whether I should show you this part or not. I will just show you. Okay, so you can see my stove, right? So basically I have my everything. So this one, if I'm using newspaper, I'm going to have thick layer or it's going to hurt my hand. Okay, and I want to test my chanting, if it is working. You see the wax is being dripped. Okay. So So maybe what you can do is you can do testing before you start. Okay, use other pieces of fabric. Okay, and then I'm going to start here. Use another piece of fabric to do the testing. See if it is hot. Okay, so if you can see this, you must make sure the bottom part is also waxed. Okay, so let me check. You see the bottom part is also waxed. Okay, if you're going to leave dots holes like this, you are not going to no, if you leave holes like this, okay, you are not going to prevent the color from flowing. Okay, so it will flow out. So make sure there's no hole, and the back and the front are waxed. Okay, so when you touch the back, you feel the wax as well. This happens only when the wax is super hot. Okay, so be careful with your fingers. Okay, I'm going to continue. I'm going to put it here like this. Okay, it dried, so I have to go back here. So cover up this area. Maybe you can do practice before you, or you need to warm up before you actually start. You see, because of the wind, the wax is drying very fast. Okay, so basically, even though the top part looks like it's wax, but the bottom part is not. Yeah, so you have to be very careful. Some area the top part looks wax, but the bottom part is not. You see, like this area is not. Once you're done, you can flip it over to check which part didn't, which part the wax didn't seep through. Alright.